topic called Never Stop Learning. Never stop learning, always be learning, my dear friends. See, I'll tell you one example. You have to, if you are starting with zero experience and you want to grow within 10 years to your CEO level, how you are going to put this 10 years into your education? Whatever we learned is completely different, which is no useful at all. When we come to the job, we will understand within 1 month itself. Within 1 month itself, we will understand what we learned, what we are doing. We will be clear with that picture. So, here you need to understand one thing, my dear friends, very clearly. You should be, till you started your breath, from that day we started learning. We had been started the learning how to stand up, how to walk, how to speak, how to eat, how to do this and that. From that day onwards, how we are keep on learning our journey. The same way, learning journey should not stop at any point of level. We will think we finish it the 10th, get relaxed, then inter comes, then inter what subject to choose, you will be confused. Finally, you took in a decision to get into medical. In medical, you took BPC, you started, inter completed, my God, let's finish the degree or MBBS, I will be done. You finish it an MBBS. After, by the time you complete your MBBS, you will come to know MBBS is not at all useful until unless you do some specialization. For that you need to pass some exams, you need to get a seat, you need to have lot of struggle to reach that seat. Finally, you did that specialization also. Then you got one certificate stating that you are a doctor and specialized in so and so. Have your journey stopped there? No. Then the next task is to get a job. In that, to reach that step, it is a more critical journey. So like this, life never stops, my dear friends. You need to keep on learning. Whatever the profession you took, the learning process should not stop. I will tell you an example. I used to have one of my customer who is a 60 years old. I remember still, his name is Mr. Harry, who retired with his life completely done, and he was at that age, he used to stay in United States. He had to ask for every single dollar to his kids. They already burdened with their life. They have to rush every day, until they come to home and to ask that $5-10, he used to feel shy. He have one cute wife, I could say, one beautiful cute wife, one grandmother. He wanted to take care of her well. If she asks for one donut or something to eat, he will not have penny. If he searched the whole house, he could not able to found one single dollar also. He called me one fine day. One of my manager was speaking. I was just sitting beyond. I was seeing that. He was saying that in 60 years of age, what you can do, this and that. I took that call. I always want to be active on the call. So I used to take that kind of tasky calls. and I used to handle the situation where I used to have my team to listen to those recordings so that they can know how to handle that kind of customers. At that time I was working in IT recruitment firm as a senior operations manager. So I took the call and I asked him what you can do. He said anything I can do. I know little bit of computers, but I am still open for learning. Okay. Then there used to call a small course called QA testing. Most of the housewives will do this course. Testing tools, we all know about it, whoever is in IT. Where you can do minimum $30 to $60 an hour you can make, usually if you go to any job. Okay, we said if you are open to learn, I cannot give you a guaranteed time in how much time you can learn, but you can take this course called QA testing tools. And he started learning at that age, and he took 1.5 to 2 years, and he used to join every new batch whichever is starting, and he used to go keep on learning. That trainer was completely a different trainer. Whatever he teaches in one class, in the next class he won't cover the topic, he'll go with the new other topic. He becomes so much professional that he can do 5 kind of different jobs within 1 to 1.5 year of time. He used to call me like a daughter, like he used to keep on calling me, and he used to update about his life, how he's going on. We used to have that kind of relationship. And then he told me one fine day, I joined in one of the web designing company as some ad banner designer. How did you know? You know, Sona, the person who trained me, he trained me in web designing. I didn't got the job in QA, but I started as a web designer, which is paying more than what? $50 an hour. Oh, great, that's great. When he started, he just gave me a call, and then after a couple of months he said, I got promoted as a team lead. Oh, that's awesome, because I know testing, I know web designing, I know how to do this and that. All whatever I learned from that particular trainer, I should be thankful to him. I could able to handle all the departments, and they can pay me less than a professional who is professional in this all, right? They have to pay 5 different $50 or $100 to 5 different persons to handle all the divisions. And right now I'm drawing $80 an hour. I said, that's great and awesome. Then one fine day he called me and he said, I bought a ring to my wife. I just want to call and thank you, because on that day you said, if you could have been told me that you cannot do at this age anything, I would have been dropped. Right now I am living a beautiful life where I can gift my grandchildren every single month. When I get my paycheck, I feel so happy. I can take my wife to the dinners. I should not depend on my kids to come home. I can take care of her medication, these and that. See guys, there is no age limit to learn. You should understand this. There should not be any limit to learn. When you keep on learning new things, then only you can improve in your career. So always be learning. This is one of the most important point if you want to grow your journey towards success growth. There is no age for learning anything, my dear friends. So many circumstances comes in your life and goes. There is no, till you are breathing, put your hand in front of your nose. If your breath is there, you are alive, and if your hands and legs are there, you can walk and you can do your things. That's it. That's enough. What we need more. Every human is specialized in something. We just need to think what we are good at. That's it. You will find your solution, my dear friends. So this is one of the key point. Always be a learner. Always keep learning. Don't stop your learning journey, my dear friends. This is the most key point. You might say that we are learning from beginning. What's the special thing you are going to tell right now? No. No. You are not learning. We are fully focused on our growth. How the growth comes when you stopped at one point. When you don't learn anything, how you can think the growth will come? You stopped, you kept your foot there and you stopped yourself there and looking around for the options from where the money will come and fill my bank account. No. Look around for your options. Your options might be in front of you, but you are not looking that side. Don't stick to one work. Always allocate some time for your learning. See, ma'am, we have families to feed, I have kids to educate, I have my wife to feed, I need a house, I need a car, I need to do this, I need to do this, I have to pay these many EMIs by the month end. How I can do this? How can I invest on my learning? No, you cannot give this as excuses. If you stop giving excuses, one fine day, everyone will blame at you where the growth has been, where you had been started, you are there only. Everybody knows that in one team leader is there who can reach a manager level, it will take 5 years. Do you want to be a common man in that starter journey, or you want to run fast and in 10 years you want to become a CEO of a company? That's in your hands. When you stop with learning, you will remain in 10 years maybe a manager or maybe a senior manager. If you start your journey from the day one, in the 10 years you may reach the goals, the higher goals in your jobs or in your business or in whatever the thing you are doing. This keep on learning, always learn new thing, always put open, when your doors are open to learn anything, age is not a limit, or these all obligations is not a limit, my dear friends. So keep on learning, and this is also a learning. So invest in your time and money in learning. This is the major investment in your life. Put a thing aside. You might be taking your family for 4 weeks a dinner or 4 weekends to a dinner. Cut one weekend, no, nothing will bother. Sit everyone and have dinner in your home. Invest that money in your learning. That will give your whole family a security. When you keep on learning something new, your brain will never become old, my dear friends. We are old or young, our age or our birthdays, the candles will not decide. The brain will never become old until you give them the command that you become too old. I am old. My hair is graying. I am old. My skin is getting folds, I am old. My breed is becoming white, I am old. No, these all will show your experience, how experienced in your life, how you handled your things in your life is important, my dear friends. So always keep learning till your last breath. Till your last breath. I love you. Thank you for listening to me. Let me catch you with the next interesting topic. I hope you are learning. If you are not learning, don't listen. Don't even join into my course. You have to learn, you need to improve, and you need to implement in your life. Then only I am here sharing my 20 years of experience for you people, for my society. So, be clear, keep all your senses at one part, and while you are listening, keep learning, my dear friends. Thank you for learning and listening to me.